Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, you are watching a Crypto Hamster channel. Finally, we have some interesting movement of Bitcoin price, and also the reason of that movement wasn't that trivial. Let's discuss all of that, and also some news which we'll probably see in the very near future. Let's go!
Turn up. Let's go.
During the recent days, or probably nearly a couple of weeks, people were wondering where Bitcoin will go from this sort of the sideways price action. Will it go up or will it go down? The number of shorts was very high at that moment, at the final day. So, and what happened today, as you already probably noticed, there was a huge green candle from the level of 6,045 or something like that, 47, up to 6,900 or something like that. And this happened exactly like in a minute after the BitMEX exchange, the biggest exchange with the opportunity of trading with the leverage. That exchange went to maintenance, and just immediately after that we've seen this huge candle, and apparently it was some kind of an attempt to manipulate the price to move it higher in order to cut all those shorts, liquidate them, and people just probably hope that as soon as price will go up, it will be also supported by the buyers who will look at this level. But it seemed like people were quite cautious in that way, and nobody actually bought that much at this level. And although the such a relatively huge spike was happened, so number of shorts didn't drop that much. So we need a really like 1,000 something with something jump in the price in order to liquidate like majority of them, maybe to this level or something like that. So, but it didn't happen, and now we actually see that the price is correlating to the level close to 6,600, which is very important level in terms of the price, the trading volume. So a lot of price action happened at this level, and it was very hard to break that level before. We tried it several times, but it didn't work. So finally we did it, but with this sort of shady activity, and then now we're testing it in the opposite position. So it's the question now whether it will go down or it will be bouncing from this level and go up again. The crucial thing here, in my opinion, first is that since this number of shorts, the decrease of this number of shorts is not that high, the capital which can be taken from the liquidation of the remaining shorts, like from here, is really huge, and still the chances that price will eventually go up is rather high. On the other hand, there is one news here that on August 23rd there will be a decision of SEC Commission on ProShares Bitcoin ETFs, and this is one of those ETFs which people don't really believe as a possible successful ETFs to happen, but still there is some chance. However, since the expectations are negative, probably a lot of people still expect the price will go down because the decision will be negative, so the Bitcoin will decrease in price, and this is nice time to go short. However, again, it depends on the ratio of bulls and bears in the market, so maybe some people will go short, but the majority will go long, still regardless of the fact that there will be a negative decision on the ETFs, or again some kind of this manipulation event will happen, and we will see it go to the higher values. It's not clear. Again, it's very risky now, so I wouldn't be really considering anything in terms of trading right now, but it's your decision. Don't forget that this is a risky market, and all the decisions you are making by yourself, and well, what I'm saying is not financial advice. In terms of the altcoins, they didn't really pick up this movement, and well, they showed some increase of the price, but mostly not that strong, I would say. It's also a confirmation of the fact that this wasn't really reversal or new upwards movement or something like that. But what I looked at, again, not financial advice, but the thing that some of the altcoins perform better than the others. So what I look at is Nano. So it seemed like it made a huge increase in price from, like, you see this 1,282 up to what it is 3,158. So like 2.5 times. The thing is, of course, we see some decline of this slope, so it's the speed of the rise decreases. However, also the same happening with Bitcoin. So, but anyway, I think one of those coins which probably will be on a very good position eventually when Bitcoin will rise is Nano. So I will look carefully at this coin. Seems to be very interesting. So that's it for today. I don't want to keep you long. It's very important thing happened and I just covered it. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and push likes and dislikes, whatever you think appropriate. So hope to see you tomorrow in the next video. Goodbye, guys.